My name's Clive Wykes and consultant, trainer with a banking background. I want to add that the banking sector here, from all the bankers I've met, there's some really interesting and knowledgeable people that want to improve, that want to bring their banks forward, that want to create a new financial environment. Hopefully, with the partnership that I'm developing with Beacon Training, I'll be able to participate in this evolution of the financial market in all the different trainings that we'll be bringing here, and I definitely hope to meet you in the near future during all those trainings.